Hello guys, and welcome back to MLS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix Madden 25 EA servers are not able to connect. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you guys can do is simply click on the PS button on your controller or whatever console you're on and go over to power and just simply restart your console. And once you restart your console, you can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is go over to settings, and instead of using a network like a wireless network connection, use a wired LAN cable instead, or in other words, just use an Ethernet cable, and you can do that as well. And that does tend to help as well because it's also going to give you much faster Wi-Fi speeds as well, and you can also try that. The third method you guys can try doing is restarting your internet router, and if you don't know how to do that, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is unplug all of the wires out of the router, wait about like 30 seconds to a minute, and then replug them back in. And I also recommend once you restart your Wi-Fi router, you again restart your PS5, or you can simply just turn it off as well. And once you do all of these things, you should be good to go and you're all set. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.